To get started, first, press on the extension. We have two functions available in this extension. We will use extract products. As you can see, we extracted the products in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then, press load more. And continue scrolling down. Do this as many times as you like. Once you're done, press add to export list. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press stop. Now, to export this, press export data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract the details of this product. So, to do this, press on the extension. Then press extract product details. And then press add to export list again. You can do this with as many products as you want. So for example, we want to extract this product too. So, press add to export list. Now, to export this, press export data. And just export. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted.